episode, we have this whole entire spot cleared out. I parked all of those new cars I got a new dozer, and I just want to show y'all around, actually, because y'all haven't actually seen it all around. I do have this thing. I think it's, I forgot what it's called. But yeah, so we have, okay, so here's my plan. We take this big crane. I forgot I had this, so yeah. Take this big thing, take that, put it in the fire, or we could take these trees down first, flop them on the top, so we could take all those and put it on there. So as you see, this is my shelter. See my shelter? It's just like, it's over all of this stuff, so I need to get all that. So I think we get right to work, honestly. So if I can just get this over here first. Put these down, make sure that I don't fall. I'm lifting in the air first. Alright. And then hit the house. Okay. I'm doing them a favor, honestly, the owner of the house. I'm cleaning up. And I broke it. No! Oh my god. What was the sound I just made? What was that? I should put it in front. Yeah, I broke it. Okay. And I about broke everything. I try to get that without breaking anything. And that's too late. Yep. It broke. Not good. I should have begged it down more. It's up for now. That's good enough. I won't hit it, I don't think. Yeah, I think we're good. Good. Alright, I'll say we just plop it down. Oh my god, I just knocked down a tree. I'm gonna put these down. Oh, I was gonna hit that. I'll test it. Please work. Right there. Alright, now we're gonna go for this thing. Okay. Turn. Okay. Be sure I don't destroy it. Because I think I put a lot of stuff up in there. Yes, I did. It's a bunch of wood. I think so enough. Alright, hold up. We have all that stuff put up. Let me drive this. I'm good. Did I hit anything? No. Let me just park over here real quick. I might need it soon. Okay. Okay. This thing. I want to keep that. But I'm gonna destroy this with the bulldozer to destroy all this over. To get this thing out of the way. Oh god. I broke my fence. As well, that's nice. That part is up in there. I think I have a parking spot up there, I think I do. I can get up there. Yeah, I have a little garage. Bet I have that. Yeah, there's a little park spot. Right about. Oh my god. Alright, that's good enough. I might destroy the windmill. I mean, yeah, I might. Alright. I say we get all of this first, so we can just... This tree. Oh my god. And me get the I'm gonna see if I can get the little crane. Cause yeah. I might probably next episode I might bulldoze all of this snow. I don't know. Oh my god. That would have been bad. So. Okay. Oh, it's connected, my bad. Alright. Maybe we should get the other crane. Yeah, I think we should. Hold up. Stop! Right. I'm gonna break through this. Should be down, right? Oh. And then that. Oh. No, no, no! I think we're good. That's a little good spot. Park this up here. Let's back this up. About right. Right there. Alright. Drop it. The freak. There we go. I'm trying to get that big thing, because I remember that thing's heavy. Like when I say heavy, I mean heavy. And it is the hard part. Getting all these. With big board. That one. That one. Oh, that one. That one. Turn. Lower. Lower. Up. Drop. Perfect. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. Right there. There. Right. Right there. Drop that. I'll fix that later. If I can reach it. Oh, yeah, if I can reach that, that'll be perfect. Whatever. Yeah, I cannot reach that. I think there's one more, ain't it? The other stuff I can just throw up when I throw. I think there's one more. Right there. Yeah, that's one. Oh. So confused. Can't see where I'm at. There you go. Perfect. stuff I should be able to throw. Yeah. Throw it. Throw it. See. Alright. My shelter is clean. Make sure this is good. I might. You know, I might actually. Okay, the bulldozer. I forgot about that part. Let me go get it. Go get the bulldozer. I'm gonna start on this side. But I'm gonna start on this side, just kind of like, you know. Start. I can even get past. Go back here. Yeah, I made it. Right. I'm getting very hard, but I'm gonna gently go right there. Alright. Oh no, oh my god. Oh, it's good. Alright. Now I say we just move all this stuff. Oh, that's very dangerous. Alright. I said the bunker is pretty good. Look at the dozer. Okay, gonna clear a path. Right. Anyone else? He's back there. For all the points I missed. Alright. Got this part? Alright, hold up. Alright. That's hilarious. Right. Yeah, if I'm like not talking as much, it's just I keep on forgetting I'm recording. So I look and I see it's I'm recording. Alright, now the fun part. Oh wait, I still have to get all that wood. I was gonna say I gotta like blow all the loose. Cause at the end I'll put like boom. Like, yeah. Now we're just gonna drop. What's that? Mhm. Yeah, I'm good. I'm not doing any of that. I'll stay back and rest. I know, wait, now we got this fun part. Oh boy. Hey, let me get everything. Okay, we're gonna need we're probably doing this episode in a minute. Okay, we're gonna lift that thing up and drop it over here. Is which I'm going to try to somehow bring it over there, make it across, down the river, or just, I gotta move my semi, just gently place it on the fire, or we can just go straight through this, so we might go for that. Alright. I'm gonna put the crane right here for now. Alright, now it is time to blow stuff over there. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna destroy all that. I'm gonna leave this here. Ouch! What is this stuck on? Oh. It through. God. Yeah, the owner told me since I am moving, I decided I am gonna move. The owner said I have to clean up the place. So. Oh boy. I'm gonna move into a big city. I don't know, maybe just for like a few days. Until. I don't know. What's gonna happen. My god. So much work. Master got me working. Master got me working. My god. That is it. The corners is insane. I just can't with the corners. I have to move on this. Oh god. It's burnt. I like my mouse, cause like the heat coming on my computer is like burning my hands so bad. Oh my god. This is a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Like, it's overflowing. Some of it went over here, I think. Oh no. Oh, okay. I think this will be the end of the video. I might do a next episode, because just like 20 minutes on. You know what? I'm gonna do it. Just for y'all. I'm gonna do it real quick. Okay, I need this. We can get it over there. Okay. Hurry up. I'm just... Ah! Oh my god, I just crushed it. I don't finish nothing. This is so scary. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is kinda... Oops. And I'm gonna take this out too. Do it that later. Shotgun. Alright. Oh, freak. That's good. Okay. Oh my god, that's a problem. Alright, so take that out. Alright, now, put it. Okay. Pieces, we need pieces. There. That's pieces. Okay, all the pieces go over here. I'll do with that probably next episode. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh god. No! Dang it! I should have stepped it out way more. Go. Freak. This is bad. This is very bad. I actually just realized. I have to do so much stuff right now. Okay, hold up. I have to come over here. I was thinking we just risk it and go straight for up there. Or we can do it the next episode. Hold on. I just broke half of it. I'm picking it up. I snapped it. I did it, never mind. Okay. As long as it don't... We're good. Oh my god, that would've been bad, and I broke a room. Okay, we're good. Still go to the shelter. I'm gonna break this. Good. Okay. And let go of it. Okay. And what is? I get here. And to the back of it. Yeah, back of it. Now I can go. Okay. Back this up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Okay. Okay. That was good before. Oh my god. No. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'll deal with that part later. But, yeah. That's about it for... Hold up. That's about for this video, and I will see y'all in part 3. Hope y'all like part 2, and yeah. So, hope y'all like this part. I'm gonna be... I don't know, next video might be Supermarket Simulator, I don't know. But, part 3 will be coming out soon. Don't forget to join the Discord link. Put in all your scariest or funniest videos. And that's it for today, and I hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And maybe share it to someone who knows. But that's it for today's video. I hope y'all have a great day, and that's it.